We are at CAV very proud of what we do, very proud of being a safe industry, and health and safety is top priority. Factory floor wise, up in Unit 1, you can't step on the factory floor unless you have your safety glasses and footwear. That applies to every single person who enters the shop floor. Then across the shop floor we'll have various measures in place depending on the job or the activity that's getting carried out. Down Linden Park, again, safety shoes. You can't step on the shop floor without safety shoes. Those rules apply to everybody, so even if you're in the office and you enter the shop floor, it's the same rules for that. And that's very important, and I think that's important that we emphasise that to all employees. People need to be aware that it is up to them to make sure they do it safely. So we go out and do regular walkabouts. Myself and various senior management will go out on a weekly, monthly basis. We'll walk the shop floor, we'll do some spot checks, make sure that every area is doing what they should be doing. I also do monthly compliance audits. So we have internal policies that state what legislation we should be complying to. Then I will do an audit on that policy to make sure that we are actually doing that. Obviously, health and safety is a priority for all businesses, and that is something that we at CAV pride ourselves on. We have a good health and safety culture. It's very important to us that people actually come to work and go home safely. I don't want any accidents to happen. So health and safety is very important in all manufacturing, but especially in advanced manufacturing like aerospace, which is us. So RIDO is in place to keep colleagues and all employees safe at work. This legislation is important because it holds employers responsible for anything that happens. So if accidents do happen, RIDO is there to see whether you are actually negligent or whether anything's gone wrong and whether it is the employer's fault. So through RIDO, you have to ensure that you investigate everything correctly, put in the correct corrective actions, put in adequate controls and make sure that everything is safe. So at CAV we've achieved 3 years without a RIDO reportable accident, which is brilliant. It's great to know that we've had 3 years without any serious accidents, without anybody being off work for longer than 7 days because of an accident. So it's something to actually celebrate. Very proud of that.